The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks, and they were forbidden from living in white areas, and they could work in white areas only if they had permission or a permit. उनके पास अगर कोई permit है, then they could enter there, they could go there. So, what was happening with them? Trains, buses, taxis, hotels, and hospitals, schools, and colleges, libraries, cinema halls, theaters, beaches, oceans, the beach area, and the swimming pools, public toilets were separate for the whites and blacks. Can you see? Means everything was divided in the country, and this was called the segregation. Segregation means they were separated from the one part to another, and they could even visit the churches where the white worship. They could not church वो चर्च भी नहीं जा सकते थे. The churches, the worshipers places were different, or you can say separated for them. Blacks could not form association or protest against the terrible treatment. मतलब ये जो भयानक treatment था, they could not be, you can say against of, they could not go against of them. मतलब ना कोई एसोसिएशन बना सकते हैं, मीटिंग कर सकते हैं, प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते, they could not do anything. So since 1950s, the black, colored and Indian fought against the apartheid system. लेकिन कितना कोई बर्दाश्त करेगा? तो ऐसा ही हुआ 1950s onwards. Black and colored against fought the apartheid system, and apartheid system we know that is a racial system, and they launched protest marches and strikes. मतलब जुलूस निकाले, धरने निकाले और अगेंस्ट में गए. एंड अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. अफ्रीकन ANC was umbrella organization that led the struggle against the policies of segregation. This included many workers, unions, and Communist Party, and many sensitive whites also joined ANC. मतलब खाली अफ्रीकन ही नहीं, और भी उनके साथ जुड़े हुए थे. To oppose the apartheid and played a leading role in this struggle. Several countries denounced apartheid as unjust and racist. But the white racist government continued to rule by detaining, torturing, and killing thousands of black and colored people. But after that, continuously, the white dominant people were using their policies, they suppressing the African people, means the system was continue of the torturing the people. So this was the apartheid system. What happened later we will discuss in another segment. Till then, okay, thank you, have a nice day.